Did you know that injuries are the leading cause of death in children aged 19 and younger? That's why it's important to teach kids basic first aid skills. The first thing to teach them is how to call 911 or emergency services in your country. This is crucial in an emergency situation. It's important to emphasize the importance of staying calm in an emergency situation. This will help them think clearly and respond appropriately. Show them how to clean and cover small cuts or scrapes with a bandage. This is basic wound care that can prevent infection. If they encounter a burn, teach them to run cool water over it for at least 10 minutes. And, whatever you do, don't pop the blisters. Explain the Heimlich maneuver for choking emergencies. This can be a life-saving skill in a choking situation. Depending on their age, introduce basic CPR guidelines, like chest compressions and rescue breaths. Children as young as 9 can learn and retain CPR skills. If they have allergies, make sure they know how to use an epinephrine auto-injector if necessary. Remember to adapt these lessons to your child's age and maturity level. By teaching kids basic first aid skills, you can help them stay safe and be prepared in emergency situations. Remember, practice and repetition are key to reinforcing these skills.